India's digital landscape has witnessed remarkable growth. India ranks among the fastest growing digital economies globally, fueled by increased connectivity and technological advancement. Let me begin by sharing some statistics with you all. In 2023, the internet penetration surpassed 820 million users in India. This translates to 55% of the country's population actively using the internet. Notably, rural areas contribute significantly to this user base, highlighting widespread adoption of digital technologies beyond urban centers. India stands as one of the largest social media markets worldwide, with 536 million WhatsApp monthly active users, 517 million Instagram users, and 200 million Snapchat users. On average, Indians spends approximately 141.6 minutes per day on social media. As we all are aware, COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of digital technology, making it an integral part of people's daily lives. Large-scale social media campaigns were run by UN agencies, WHO, NGOs, government, and funders to promote COVID-appropriate behavior, vaccine hesitancy, and to promote vaccine uptake. The impact, effectiveness, and learnings were soon adopted to other health domains as well. What we are now seeing is that digital tools have emerged as powerful allies in empowering individuals to actively improve their health behaviors and outcomes. The four behavior model underscores that for behavior change to occur, three critical elements, motivation, ability, and prompt, must converge simultaneously. Digital platforms are uniquely placed to facilitate this convergence, providing personalized, targeted, cost-effective, timely, and at-scale interventions to drive positive health behaviors. Research indicates that online approaches are at least as effective as traditional methods for enabling behavior change, and they often yield even better results when combined with in-person interventions. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development recognizes the importance of the immense potential of information and communication technology in accelerating human progress, bridging digital divides, and fostering knowledge societies. In a nutshell, leveraging digital technology for driving behavior change is not a good to have, but a must have. I'd like to share three key learnings from my experience of working across a range of projects where digital interventions were at the core of program design and execution. Shifting gender norms around health behavior is a crucial endeavor, and digital tools can play a significant role in achieving this goal. However, it is important to note that the progress towards gender equality in technology is at an early stage, and there is a lot to be done. Here are some ways in which digital technology can contribute to transforming gender norms related to health. Number one, digital is not an end in itself. It's a means to achieve specific goals. Think of it as a powerful tool that enables speed, efficiency, cost-effectiveness, target, and personalized reach and scalability. To maximize its potential, it's important to understand how different digital platforms work, especially in the context of gender norms. For example, understanding how gender norms match on social media platforms in targeting posts, comments, and interactions can help in designing effective targeted interventions. Similarly, understanding how dating apps perpetuate or challenge gender norms in dating and relationships, which can be crucial for leveraging these platforms for SRH-related interventions. Number two, learning. Take an audience-centric approach combined with the digital lens can enhance engagement and impact. Always start by defining your target audience. Audiences should be at the center of everything across the intervention's life cycle. Gather audience insights. What do they think, feel, and do? Why should they believe your content? Where and how do they consume content? What are their motivators, barriers, biases? This will form the basis of your digital and project framework. Effective communication considers both the audience needs and the broader social context, including gender dynamics. For example, at the design stage, consider diverse gender identities and experiences. Acknowledge intersectionality to ensure inclusivity. Question gendered assumptions underlying development processes. For example, consider how development projects impact women differently from men. Number 3, use data-driven decision-making. Digital platforms allow real-time data, which can be very powerful to optimize strategies and improve outcomes. For example, it allows for shorter learning loops, and therefore one can run quick experiments with different messages, visuals, and targeting options. One can use A/B testing or multivariate testing to compare variations and identify what resonates best with your audience before scaling it up. Data-driven decision-making with a gender lens enhances the effectiveness of SBCC programs, leading to more equitable and impactful outcomes. Therefore, consider gender-specific factors like gender disaggregated data, indicators that capture gender-related outcomes while collecting and analyzing data to look at trends and gaps and interpret findings to maximize the impact and effectiveness. As society becomes increasingly digitized, our norms and values evolve. Digital technologies play a significant role in shaping these changes. It is a two-sided coin. If not used ethically and morally, it can cause serious threat and damage and further promote negative trends and norms. Ethical use of digital technology is a vast area of work. Globally and nationally, governance and regulatory frameworks are being put in place, especially in the light of artificial intelligence. For AI to be used effectively, existing biases in healthcare services, race, gender, age, ethnicity, which are used to train AI algorithms, should be accounted for. As per the WHO guidance on ethics and governance of artificial intelligence for health, AI holds great promise, and for it to be beneficial, ethical considerations and human rights should be placed at the center of design, development, and deployment. Following are the 6 core principles identified by WHO. Number 1, protect autonomy. Number 2, promote human well-being, human safety, and public interest. Number 3, ensure transparency, explainability, and intelligibility. Number 4, foster responsibility and accountability. Number 5, ensure inclusiveness and equity. And number 6, promote AI that is responsive and sustainable. In summary, the future lies in riding the AI trend responsibly. Solutions that meet these criteria hold great promise for transforming healthcare at scale.